Hey, welcome back to another day of life in chaos. So if you tune in today, we got another DIY. So we gotta replace the pads on this car. Definitely the back. You hear them things. I hope they ain't cut into the rotors. And the front. So I'm trying to find this jack because I ain't got no flow jack and my hydraulic jack. The car sit too low. If I get it up halfway, then I take them jack stands, stick up on it, take both of the wheels off one side, leave my hydraulic jack under there, do that side, roll over to do this side. So see if I can find these jacks first. So, if I go ahead and break all these lug nuts loose, them little black caps on there, just pull them off. I have to break all these lug nuts loose, then I'm gonna jack it up, take these wheels off. We get this show on the road. So I did the front. I go to put this jack up under here before I totally loosen this back up. I'm gonna take these caps off. And I get some bullets stuck up under the tires. Make sure this thing don't roll, fall off the jack. So I did the front. I go to put this jack up under here before I totally loosen this back up. I'm gonna take these caps off. And I get some bullets to go on the tire. Make sure this thing don't roll, fall off the jet. So I did the front. I go to put this jack up under here before I totally loosen this back up. I'm gonna take these caps off. And I get some bullets to go on the tire. Make sure this thing don't roll, fall off the jet. So I'm gonna take these two pieces of wood right here and jam them up under the tire. Stick one under the front part of the tire, rubber forward, one under the back. So inside to inside. And that should hold it. That means you can't roll forward. Then you put this one on the inside, you can't roll backwards. That should suffice. That should hold it. It's better safe than sorry. I know that's why I got killed. I fell on it. Died up under the car. That ain't no good feeling. Well, you get pinned up under the car and you know you're gonna die. But let me get this jack out. Get this thing jacked up. Try to get it right at this pivot point. So that way both the tires come up at the same time. And man, I might have to go up kind of high because my jack stands kind of high. I don't do that one jack thing. I don't care what it is. I always have like 2, 3. If I'm gonna be under 2, 3. And then like I'm doing these brakes, hey, I make sure I don't sit there with my feet up under the car. Oh man, I can't do it in the sun because it's plastic. Man, there's an old little rock on. There's a jack point there and a jack point there. So, I guess I'm gonna just jack this back up, put the jack stand up, and jack the front up. I'll tell you, this jack right here, boy, this jack came out of my 88 Cavalier. I had this jack a long time. I gotta break them loose. Since I gotta do one at a time now. Let's see, let me get my wrench so I can break them loose. Definitely make sure you get the thing on there good. You don't want to strip one of them little nuts. aggravates it off. Jet this thing right on up. Man, I don't want to let that cut that high. Man, that go kind of hot, this thing. Man, it's going to go right here. Man, let me take this pin out. Alright, we gotta go just a little bit more. There we go. We'll go do this front one now. Gonna get that out the way since it's up high. We're gonna do this front one. What's that? It came up with it. Get you over here. Go get this other jet. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave this jack under here. Put a little tension on it. As you can see, front wheel off the ground, back wheel off the ground. We're gonna bust these wheels off. I'm gonna start with this back first. So, I got this tool. It's called the disc brake pad spreader. I'll tell you, boy, you got the right tools, it can make a job hard or easy. It can make a job hard or easy. I need look at that old. Let's see here. Oh, let's put it right here. Like this. Screw that thing. And start pushing this piston right here. That's something wrong about that. No, it's working. It's going in real easy. I thought it wasn't even going in. As you can see, I pushed it all the way in. Alright, I gotta change the clips out. Oh yeah, let's see. Yeah, make sure you got the right ones. Got a lot of them. It should be 2, 4. Should be only 4. I mean, it should be only 2. One for this side of the back, one for the other side. I guess they got different kinds in here because I guess they changed the style of it over the years. So let's see. So you got these are a little smaller than these. So what I like to do, I'll take one off first. I like this one, use the big ones. I like to match them up. Make sure they're the same. Yep, they use the big ones. So oh, so they use the big ones, but I had it upside down. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing on here. Pop this bottom one out. I wonder what's the difference. All gonna look the same. Yeah. Same size, same width. So I'm gonna pop this bottom one on there. Alright, so before I put this grease on the back of these pads, I like to test fit the pads, make sure they fit. Make sure I can just rotate this caliper back up on that. And hopefully everything's good to go. Like I say, your pads only gonna go on one way because they got a curve. So it ain't like you can put it. You can do it like that, or you can do it like that. Let's see here. So they dummy proof. So we got this right here. This tell you when your brake pads low, it start rubbing. This little thing right here, it rubs the disc. So it won't go on this way. So let's see if it's going this way. Let's see something here. That go on there, smooth, real easy. So we can get this to fall on there real smooth and easy. Well, I can't get it in the hole back there. There you go. Nah, I usually put that on purpose, man. Let's see. Let's see if this will go on there real easy. Uh-oh, we got a problem. I don't want to go over the pad. Why is that? Let's see. There's 3 that's in that part. Man, I might have to get that screw out. Something I'm missing. hitting right at the edge. Let me see if I can get the screw out. Well, I just loosened it up some more. Look, go straight on there. So, make sure I get some of this grease on there. Some of this lube. Grease will stop the corrosion resistance, protect from caliper guides. You stop it from squealing too. Do that bad boy all up. Put some on this back one. I sure ain't taking it off. I have to feel my way around it. Put this whole pack. I got 4 packs, one for each set, so make sure I get enough on that. That should do it. Alright, let's put this thing back together. This little rubber boot. Now you see this top one, it's already tight. I don't know why this one don't fight me. Man, is this thing going in? This is not already tight. I'll tell you what, I hate I can't get this wrench around there. Why is such a gap? You know what? I'm gonna have to tap on this one. I don't think it's catching the threads. It's spinning. But this gap right here ain't getting no smaller. This thing finally gonna caught. It's actually going in. Oh yeah. Finally. Tighten this top one back up. Couple taps with the hammer, make sure it's tight. Using a couple taps. Make sure she tight. This one tight. It's going in. See that much. Let's see if I can get that back. Nope. So I know can't get the wrench back there, but it's a 14mm screw, and your lug nuts. There's 3/16, 13/16. Man, this thing, why is there a gap now? What's going on with this thing? Something ain't right. It shouldn't be that hard. It should be going in. Just don't feel like it's. Going in now, I can see it. Oh yeah, there we go. Out of time. Done.